Mechanics in the building.
YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Penny LS1 checking in once again. As y'all can see, I have installed the AC bracket for the R4 compressor. Got the pulleys on there. What I have now is the belt. That's the part number right there. That's recommended by Holley. Now, it did say in the instructions this belt is used when using all Holley accessories. So as you know, these are Holley brackets, but all the accessories are GM. So this is an AC Delco compressor. This was the stock alternator off the Camaro. That's Holley. This Holley, and then these two are Holley. That's power bond, and then this is stock. It should work because everything should be the same size. I'm still waiting for the condenser. As y'all know, I had to take the radiator out when I was messing with those fittings. Had a leak in the radiator, so I had to tighten up the drain. So I went ahead and snatched that out. I figured while it's out, I might as well go ahead and put the compressor in there. I mean the condenser. But like I said, it's on back order. So I'm still waiting on that. But let's go ahead and get this belt on and see if it fits. All right, so that's it, we got it. So as y'all can see, it's lined up, it has tension on it. So like I said, this is belt 6PK 2490 Bando. You can find it at, I believe it's a CarQuest. That's where I ended up getting it from. I mean, I actually got it on Amazon, but because I'm lazy, I didn't feel like going to the store. But if you go to the store, ask for Bando 6PK 2490 if you're running this setup. Fits perfect. It's got a little slack, but I think this right here I can actually move over and make it fill up that slack if I need to. But we'll rock with this for now. Yes, sir. So like I said, I'm just waiting on my condenser, and then we'll go ahead and throw the radiator back in, and then I'll worry about getting the hoses and everything, or the lines hooked up. But man, I want to say thank you to everybody rocking with your boy Penny LS1. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so y'all already know, I'm trying to reach the next 1,000. Man, I mean, I don't even know what to say, but I just want to say I appreciate everybody for rocking with your boy. Stay tuned for much more to come. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell as well. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that at Penny LS1 on Instagram. Stay tuned for all the latest, greatest content on Project SS, aka mini skirt. I'm trying to narrow down my colors. I probably got 3 colors that I'm narrowing it down to. But also what I'm working on, y'all see I got coilovers on there, but it's still, in my opinion, sitting up too high. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the drop spindles. That'll give me a 4-inch drop total, with the coilover being 2-inch and then the spindle being another 2 inches. And then what I'll probably do is roll at like 3, because in the back it's 3-inch drop and it's perfect, as y'all can see, in my opinion. And this with the stock wheels, it looks pretty decent. So I'm not going super big with my wheels. I'll let y'all know as soon as I get my measurements in for my offset and backspace and all that. I'll let y'all know what size I'm going with, but I'm not rocking, you know, I'm not going too big, so I won't need this front end to be up this high. I'll be able to drop it another 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches. So that's it for now, man. I just wanted to show y'all I do have all my accessories on. And if y'all watched that video, my last video, where I went over the pricing, all this was bought separate, because at the time I ordered, everything was on back order. So I went with the driver's side accessory kit first, and then I ended up ordering all this stuff. So it came out to be way more than what it should have been. And that just is what it is. So all right, man, Penny LS1, thank you for rocking with your boy. Until next time, I'll let your boy.